Welcome to a short video on how to load DICOM data from a folder into iQ-VIEW. Open iQ-VIEW. Navigate to File System in the upper right corner. Select the desired folder and drag it over. To do this, hold down the left mouse button. Now you can decide whether you want to open the study directly in iQ-VIEW or load it into the local database first. Every study that is opened in iQ-VIEW is also automatically loaded into the local database. To open the study directly, this button must have an eye as an icon. If this is not the case, please press Ctrl and 2. If you have the eye symbol, but want to load the study into the database first, press Ctrl and the 3. Now you have the symbol for loading into the database. Click on this and it will be loaded into the database first. Now you can call up the patient in the database as usual. Thank you for your attention.